Hello everyone! Today we're whipping up something really special. Carnivore Gummies. Yes, you heard that right. These are high protein, low carb snacks that are perfect for anyone following a carnivore, keto or low carb diet. And the best part, they are super easy and super quick to make. If you're new here, I'm Severine, your friendly nutritional therapist, and on this channel I share my favorite keto carnivore recipes because, let's be real, animal-based foods are where it's at. Also, stick around until the end to find out why gelatin is such a superstar ingredient. But for now, let's dive in. Ingredient overview. Alright, so here's what we'll need today to make these yummy gummies. 1 cup of bone broth for the extra taste and extra nutrients. I've got chicken broth here, but beef works too. And if you want something more neutral, filtered water is totally fine. 3 tablespoons of high quality gelatin powder. Go for organic if you can. And for flavors, we'll use rock salt, honey, or a little squeeze of lemon. Your choice. That's it. Just a few simple ingredients for some tasty protein-packed gummies. Method. First, warm up the bone broth. You want it hot but not boiled. Pour it into a bowl. Now, slowly add the gelatin while whisking. Be gentle but quick. We don't want any lumps in our gummies. Keep whisking until it's smooth and well combined. And now, the fun part. I'm splitting this mixture into 3 little ramekins so that I can make 3 different flavors. Gummy flavors. So here's where you get to have fun. We'll leave it plain for that clean, savory flavor. Add a pinch of rolled soak for that salty punch. Stir in a teaspoon of honey if you want a hint of sweetness, or squeeze in some lemon juice for a nice zesty twist. Every time you add something, just simply stir it a little bit to make sure that it's completely mixed. Or mix and match. Do whatever makes your taste buds happy. Fridge. Now just pop this in the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours. This is where the magic happens. The gelatin is going to set and turn into our yummy gummies. Final steps. Once they're set, take them out of the fridge and cut them into cubes, or get creative using cookie cutters for fun shapes. You can also use silicone ice cube trays for cool designs. Gelatin, a superstar ingredient. Now that our gummies are ready to eat, and trust me, they look amazing, let me tell you why gelatin is a real superstar behind these chewy bites of goodness. It's not just about the texture. There is a lot more to it. High protein. Gelatin is packed with protein, particularly collagen, which is essential for muscle repair, skin health, and overall body maintenance. For those on carnivore or keto diets, it's an excellent clean source of protein. Gut health booster. Gelatin is known to support gut health by helping to repair the lining of the digestive tract. It contains glycine, which is beneficial for reducing inflammation and improving digestion, making it a popular ingredient in gut healing protocols. Joint and bone support. Because gelatin is rich in collagen, it's fantastic for promoting joint and bone health. It can help improve flexibility, reduce joint pain, and even support stronger bones over time. Improves skin, hair, and nails. It can help improve skin elasticity, reduce wrinkles, and strengthen hair and nails, which is often why it's often used in beauty products and supplements. Versatile texture and uses. Gelatin is a key ingredient in creating that bouncy, chewy texture we love in gummies and other treats. It's also versatile, used in everything from jellies to soups, broth, and even in thickening sauces. Easy to digest. Unlike some protein sources, gelatin is easy on the stomach and digestible, which makes it suitable even for those with sensitive digestive systems or on elimination diets. Helps with sleep and relaxation. The glycine in gelatin has been shown to promote better sleep and relaxation by calming the nervous system. A small dose of gelatin before bed may even help improve sleep quality. Supports weight loss. Because gelatin is high in protein and low in calories, it can help keep you full and satisfied, reducing overall calorie intake. It also stabilizes blood sugar, which can prevent cravings and overeating. Zero carb ingredient. For those on a keto or carnivore diet, gelatin is zero carb ingredient, making it an ideal option for keeping recipes low carb while adding texture and nutrition. Supports hydration. Gelatin helps bind water in the body, promoting better hydration and keeping tissue lubricated. Overall, gelatin is a nutritional powerhouse that not only enhances the flavor and texture of dishes, but also offers multiple health benefits, making it a true superstar ingredient. That's it for today, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. If you make these carnivore gummies, drop a comment and let me know how they turned out and which flavor you prefer. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of my delicious recipes. See you in the next one!